Hello YouTubers, we're at Grandpa's Workshop where I invited my grandsons to come over and help me work on 2 worm towers for our raised bed garden out of this 4-inch PVC pipe. We've got the pipe all marked out and now we're about to drill the holes. So we drilled about 36 holes in each pipe. Now we're going to cut the pipe in half, 2 feet lengths. There's our 2 pipes. We're going to put compost in there. We're going to put shredded paper. We're going to put kitchen scraps. We're going to put just a little bit of fine sand for grit for the worms. And we put worms in there, a little more shredded paper, and then we put water and put caps and let the worms do their thing. I need 2 holes that deep, about there, and 1 over there. I'd be tempted just down. Okay, take another one over here. Right there. Kind of centered. All right, we're all excited that we got our worms that we ordered just 2 days ago from Uncle Jim's Worm Farm. So now it's time to put them in the worm towers. I've got my granddaughter to help. So the first thing we need to do is put some shredded paper in each of our worm towers. Let's go ahead and do that. There you go. Put some more in this one. Okay, now let's see what our worms look like. Ah, here they are in this black pouch. Right there. Let's see what they look like. You want to pull some out of here? Reach your hand in there and see what we've got. Those look really good. Those look really healthy. Okay, let's put some in this tower. Okay, another handful in there. All right. Yeah, those are really moving. Okay, let's put some more paper in. Before we put the paper in, let's put some food in there. You know, put some coffee grounds in this one. Let's drop the whole thing in. I'll put one in over here. And let's put a lettuce leaf in there. Another one. And I'll put the others over here. One that came down over here. And let's get some more shredded paper over there, and let's put some more shredded paper in. So now we're going to add some water to continue the hydration process, the rehydration process for these worms. That's probably enough. And over here, and then we have some more food to put in there. What do we have? Okay, let's break this apart. Put that one in there. There. Push it down in. Goodbye.